Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to talk about this project, okay, that has 8 projects inside. So I know it's pretty much redundant, and we're going to talk about more of these games later on. So this is called 8chain. So um, it says, is the future-proof token that aims to create an integrated cryptocurrency ecosystem and make its own metaverse within the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so they're planning to launch 8 integrated projects in the next 8 years. Okay, and of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe. Go down below this video, click the subscribe button. Again, this is 𝘗𝗵𝗁 here, back again with new contents every single day, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so again, this is 8chain, okay, and their mission is to create the biggest frictionless digital economy through cryptocurrency ecosystem. So if we're going to go down below, okay, so this is mostly dominated by Filipino team members, and this is the members inside. So they are docs, I would say, like docs which means you know them, you will know them personally, and I really admire the what do you call that, the braveness of these people to actually like show themselves, to just actually like prove themselves, or prove to people that they are like the real deal. Okay, and you do also have tons of partners. Some of these are corporations, okay, some of these are what do you call that, coaches, projects, and there's too much of them. I would say. And let's just go back again at the top. Okay, so this is the first play to earn that will be coming soon, which is MAXREP. So it is a play to earn, workout to earn. So MAXREP is more likely when you're working out, okay, you're earning money. So this promotes probably a portion of like healthy healthy promotion, because you get to make money while you are working out. I think that's pretty much the superb thing that is going to happen in the space, because there's tons of like projects recently that are creating a project wherein if you work out you're going to get this, but none of them actually work yet. So MAXREP will try to make it work for the people as well. So the other games are NFT art collection, yeah, crypto earn high rollers. Okay, these will be released coming soon. Okay, and this is the roadmap that they have. Okay, to be honest, this is a very long roadmap. So let's just wait if they are going to be able to actually like execute this. But of course, they started since a year ago. So phase one was on 2021. Okay, and on the phase two, okay, they are going to launch the MAXREP, the airdrops, and other stuff like mobile and web application. So you won't actually like need to wait, or there won't be any like discrimination or some sort of that. Of course, if you have a mobile, you can also use MAXREP in the future as well. Okay, so for the airdrops, I will be talking it actually right now. Okay, so of course, for you to be able to join the airdrop, okay, make sure to join their Discord community first. So this is the Discord community. I will be putting it as well into the description box below. So definitely let's try to get one more Discord. Yeah, the invite is invalid though, but we can probably check it on their Discord server. So 8chain, they do have 8chain here, and hold on. Okay, so this is the Discord. like what I'm telling you. Why is it saying it is invalid though? I mean, it's like I've been trying to like get different kinds of. Oh, because maybe I'm inside. Maybe I'm inside. Anyway, I will put it into the description box below, of course. And actually, this is the Discord group. I will be showing it to you real quick right now. Okay, then we give me. Okay, so this is the Discord. This is their Discord. So let me just, yeah, I'm going to adjust. I'm going to adjust it in the what do you call that? In the OBS. So they do have more than 3,000 members. Okay. So of course, be a chain maker. You need to do that. Of course, there's tons of announcements like the airdrops. Okay, you will be able to see every single stuff here. And this is the beta tester form. So if you have or you want to try MAXREP, okay, you can always sign up here. Just click this one, okay, and you will be redirected into a separate link. Okay, so take in mind that that's going to happen. And of course, you need to fill out this whitelist form. I will be showing it to you right now. So do not worry. I'm going to put every single stuff. Okay. I'm going to put every single stuff into the description box below. So this is the token airdrop, like what I've said, okay? So you need to join the Discord community, join the Telegram, follow them on Twitter, okay? So this is for free, okay? This is for free. So you're just going to follow this and you are going to get a chance to get a 50,000 𝐻 token. So first of all, okay, join the Discord community. Second one, click this one. Join the Telegram community, which we are doing right now. And also, let's follow them on Twitter, okay, which I'm going to do later on. For the Instagram, don't forget to do this. Like them on Facebook as well. And also just fill this one out, okay? So I will be putting my username in here. So this is how you do this, guys, okay? Copy, paste, MetaMask, and then I'm just going to copy the hold on. I will just log in here so that I will be able to put it. Okay, so we join this one, we follow them. So they will check it, guys, okay? So that's why after this video, I will be following them on Twitter, because you actually don't want to miss a free token. Okay, 50,000 token. That's what I'm trying to say. That's a 50,000 token, and you never know what is its value in the future. Okay, so let's click the submit button. Of course, we're going to put this one. Okay, let's submit it, and after that, you're done. Okay, you're done. Okay. 8-chain token airdrop. So I will be putting it into the description box below. Make sure to follow this, because this is very limited. Okay, this is not going to happen again in the future as well. So again, this is for today's video about 8-chain token airdrop again, and do not forget to subscribe into my channel again. This is Crypto Addict here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.